Finally, the moment has arrived. Long-awaited moment indeed. My dear subscribers, in this video we will attend my graduation ceremony.
Peter,
For now, let's eat this wonderful cake. My family gave it as a present, which is a great way to start the graduation day. Let's try it, then we can slowly go. First, we will visit my university. Then, we will head to the hall where graduation ceremony happens. This is the university that consumed much of my time. A significant journey. This is where our library is located. And so this is our library. As you can see, it's very comfortable. But during the afternoons, chances are you won't find a place to sit. We often played basketball here. I did play it a lot. A little further is the football field, and this is a famous coffee place. Many people gather for their drinks. We have such a statue as well. As you can see, it portrays a scale. The weight of the knowledge is greater than the physical size. Now, let's go to the ceremony. Many people are coming, students have classes, it's time to leave. See you at the ceremony.
Bizani bugungi bitiruvchi Harry Potterimiz.
We are waiting for it to start now. As you can see, there is an orchestra playing. Find the movie song, leave your guesses in the comments below.
...2022 graduation ceremony, which celebrates your success for all the hard work and perseverance.
Welcome to my channel.
O'zbekcha.
O'zish kerak, aka.
O'zbekcha nima demoqchisiz? YouTube'dagi obunachilar.
Kanalga obuna bo'ling.
Did you hear that? Go subscribe.
Sardor Saidmurodov, Bachelor of Science in Business Information Systems, first class honors.